Hi, I'm Ryan Godin, your local Calgary realtor with MV Real Estate Group, RE/MAX First. And today I want to talk to you about an important topic that could impact your home's value, safety, and insurance costs: poly-B plumbing. Now, poly-B, or polybutylene, was a popular plumbing material used in homes built between the late 1970s and mid-1990s. At the time, it was considered an affordable and flexible solution. But over the years, many homeowners in Calgary and across North America have faced significant problems with it. So what's the problem? Well, poly-B pipes have been known to deteriorate over time. They can react with the chlorine in our water supply, becoming brittle and prone to leaks. This leads to an increased risk of water damage in your home. Now, if you have poly-B in your home, the risks of leaks and bursts isn't just theoretical. These pipes are reaching the end of their lifespan, and unfortunately, many homes built with poly-B have already experienced issues, especially when the pipes are located in high-pressure areas or exposed to excessive heat. Water damage can lead to costly repairs, mold, and even structural issues. In the worst-case scenario, a burst pipe could flood your home, causing thousands of dollars in damage. Insurance companies are also aware of the risks. Many are reluctant to insure homes with poly-B plumbing, and if they do, premiums are often higher. Some insurers even require homeowners to replace poly-B before offering coverage. So, if you're buying or selling a home in Calgary, it's critical to check for poly-B plumbing. As a seller, it's something that could affect your home's value and how quickly it sells. As a buyer, it's essential to know what you're getting into. You may want to factor in the cost of replacing the plumbing, which can range from $5,000 to $15,000 or more, depending on the size of the home. Now, thankfully, there are safer alternatives, like PEX or copper piping. If you plan to renovate or replace poly-B, these materials offer durability and peace of mind. Whether you're a homeowner or a potential buyer, understanding the risks associated with poly-B plumbing is crucial for making informed decisions. If you have any questions about poly-B or need help navigating the real estate market here in Calgary, don't hesitate to reach out. My email is ryan@calgarysagent.com. My phone number is 403-614-4711. You can also DM me on Facebook, just search Ryan Godin, or you can DM me on Instagram. My username is Realtor Alberta. And even if you're not looking to buy or sell a home right now, but you want to learn more about the market, the process, and other mistakes to avoid and best practices to do, follow me on YouTube, as I share a lot of educational content. Or again, just reach out. I love helping people, I love real estate, and thank you for watching.